Hello guys, today I will show you some of the geometry metaverse possibilities. This project I tried in March 2023, so the latest features will not be included in this. I will cover some of the features like staircase, lift, escalator, and some creative ideas. I'll just explain overview of how I did it and some ideas or some tricks I will explain not in depth but the basic level. So you will get an idea how we can add more and more such elements to our metaverse experience and make it more engaging to the user. Let's start. This is a simple puzzle room. As I start moving forward, it asks me to enter the 4-digit code. This is a predefined code which you can set up in your rules. For a user experience, you can make it like until the user find that as a treasure and they enter here, they can't move forward to the next level. So here 0909 is the code I have entered, and now the level 1 is passed. The first one is true now. So the first puzzle is passed. We have to solve two more puzzles. The second puzzle is these sliders. As I click on the round balls, the slider starts moving. There is a combination I have to set so that then only the second level is passed. So this also you can set up in the rules. You have each individual cubes are animated in Maya, so you have to animate according to the button pressed, and you have to set the rules. See, now the combination is set, and the second level is also passed. Still, I am not able to go to the green zone until the three puzzles are solved. The green zone is not accessible. So what is the third puzzle? We cannot see anything. There is nothing. See here, nothing in the room to solve. How? So I'll go forward and I turn back. There I see a key. So here it is a as a just a example I have added the other two tips here only. The first code and the key combination that slider combination I have added here. This you can add in previous stage to unlock the next stage. This is just an example. So I have found the key which we cannot see in the another side. So this is a single-sided polygon which you can create in any of the 3D modeling software. So once I click on that, the third stage is passed. See, now the all the three puzzles are solved. Let's try to move forward to the green zone. Still, it is not allowing me to go to the green zone. Why? Because I have set it like until I click on the key again, it won't take the user green zone. Now I have clicked and the user is in green zone. Yeah. To demonstrate the next feature, that is a hidden room or isolated room, I need the project need to be in multiplayer mode. While deploying, you have to mark it as multiplayer. So now I have two people here. So I will take one user to the room named H. So if I see from the user's view, see, I can see outside the other user, I can see here. But from the this white shirt user, I can't see what is there inside the room number H. Okay, so that is kind of modeling the room with the reverse faces. Okay, this is simple room. So just like a isolation room, if whatever we keep inside that, whatever we keep inside that is not visible to the user outside, and whoever inside that room named I, they can't see outside. The room should be looking like it's a wall. So user should find the treasure inside that. First they have to find the room, then they can get the treasure and they can unlock the next level. Now let's see the staircase element. So there are in the spiral staircase I have two types. One is the first one where user need to adjust the angle of view every time as they climb up. The other one is I have added aimers. So as the users start climbing, it just automatically adjusts the user's view to the staircase. Let's uh, walk through and see how it works. Now I am just pressing up, so the angle is showing another side. So I have to adjust with my mouse which direction the user should go, or else the user will not go easily up or down. You see, while coming down also, I have to rotate my mouse to get out of the staircase element. Here I have used colliders also, so the user will not fall outside the staircase. For that you can use collider mesh. So this is the one which automatically rotates the user's angle of view as they climb up the staircase. Here I am not using the mouse pointer. I am just pressing the up button and the direction is automatically getting adjusted. The aimers or the pointers can be located in little higher position so that the user will be looking at the next steps. So now while coming down also, it automatically adjusts the user's viewing angle. Now let's try this simple staircase. Here also you can see how the user is climbing up. See that was step by step user going up and down, that you can feel. So this also I have modeled using a Maya. You can use any of the 3D model, but use the same model as the collider mesh with separate faces. Each face should be separate. Here first I will explain about the area, then we'll see the other features. There is a level difference in this area, so I will mark it and I will show you. So there is a down and then up. There's a curvy area where user can go down and come up. So this is like a track I made uh, from one of the stock 3D. I modified it. So now let's get down. See, now the user is in down area, down level, and now the user came up. So here also I used colliders to achieve this. So this is kind of closed room. So user can go round and round. So now let's see what is there written there. So it is written click to call sci-fi vehicle. So let's click and see what happens. Wow, we got our vehicle. Here I have animated the doors. This each door animated separately in 3D animation software, so you can control it individually. So these are exported separately from the animation software. If it is a single unit, you cannot animate it all at a time. So now I have set it like if I click the door, it will open. Again, if I click, it will close. And if I click on the body of the vehicle, it will start moving and it will go on the track. Let's click see. Now I have clicked you can see the tires. The user standing on the vehicle can feel the experience because everything will be looking natural. This is achievable if you animate properly in the 3D software and export it. So here, once it completes one round, it will stop there. No need to just keep the path as round. You can animate anyway as per your wish and you can show anything in the surrounding. You can showcase your products, your house, any interior, exterior you can show. This is also a kind of a sci-fi room which I got from online website and modified according to my need. But since I did not work more on size reduction, it is little laggy. See the door. As the user go near the door, it will open, and when the user go away, the door will close. So the logic seems very simple, but while making it, it needs some more logical thinking because it is not that easy. You have to add many zones, around 3 zones. We have to add each side. So now we see there is a number written and there is a door. I did not animate that door. That's the entry to the lift system. Let's get in and experience the lift. So here I will see. You can see there are number written floor. That is floor number. And here right side we have buttons. As I click, the lift is moving. 2, 3, 4. There is no order. You can press any order. You can go from fourth to first, first to third. And for this, I have animated the scene in Maya. Then I have exported with the animation the GLP file and uploaded to Gmetric. And then adjusted the animation timing with the rules. Different animations we can add in GLP files. Here two escalators are there. One is for going up and one to come down. So if I walk directly, you can see that user walking one by one step going up. And same thing happens if you come down. I have added collider here also so that user won't fall outside the escalator. So the user can come down since the escalator is off. User can go up and come down in any of the sides. I have added two buttons to control the escalator. So one is in the left side, which is start, and the right side is the stop. Let's play and see how it operates. Now it is started, and if I click now, it is stop. Start, stop. Now let's experience the escalator in start condition. So if the user go near the down left escalator, which is not a good thing, the escalator will not allow the user to go inside because I have added zone there. If the escalator running, the zone will push the user back and we can go up because it is the allowed direction. So I just come and stand here, the escalator takes the user up. I'm not pressing any button, it's just taking the user up. So now user is in up direction, user tries to go down in the reverse. So this is also not allowed. So the zone will push back the user. The user must take the down escalator to go down. User just come and stand at the starting step and escalator only will take the user. User don't need to press any of the keys. This also I have each step I have modeled and calculated the timings and adjusted the escalator steps and added into GLP. Yeah, these elements are heavy. This scene is little laggy. These textures I have used as a emissive. If you turn off all the lights, they will be glowing. So there is a octopus. I have this like a sudden surprise for the user. This kind of experience we can add Okay, let's move forward and see. Oof, it went inside. I have animated this in Maya. These are single individual tentacles. Something is there. Do not touch. The light, Deepam, the light is glowing. Let's touch and see what happens. Let's see the disclaimer.
Crossing your limits is subject to personal risks. Think carefully before touching this.
Crossing the limits are personal risks.
Crossing your limits is subject to personal risks. Think carefully before touching this.
Let's see what happens if we touch that.
You are not supposed to touch me. You will be sent to dark room.
Hi, let's go.
Did you observe the light is gone off? Those are all animations I have made in Maya. It took some more time because we have to plan every lip sync, hair, eyes, everything we have to plan. This devil and that head is separate shapes, animated separately, but the head unit is single unit. Here the main thing is in geometry only 2D elements will point at you wherever you go, but here I have animated this devil 360 degrees clockwise and anti-clockwise, then uploaded the GLB file to Geometry and animated with along with the rules help of rules. So here the head will point at the user wherever they go. I added zones just for the understanding where. So if the user go clockwise, anti-clockwise, any order, the this is kind of the concept is like a hell because of the user touch that user is taken to some dark room where this devil is the owner. So that will just keep an eye on you wherever the user goes. These are just some of the concepts you can come up with any creative ideas and just animate according to your need and upload to GLB, adjust the rules, put some logic. The experience will be awesome for the user. Thank you for watching. You can give your feedback in the comment section.